Okay, we're just gonna film in here because it's the quietest spot. This is the method that's supposed to cause the most noise with the Hero 5. I have it, it's not inverted, it's right side up, so. Oh, this thing is a drifty bugger though. We're gonna sit in the vehicle because it's isolated sound. Alright, so this is with that speaker out, wind only mode. So let's see what we got for sound. I really want that Fay to work out too because I want to be able to run my silver, my 4 silver and the other thing. But this is the Hero 4 Silver with the Feiyu G5 Gimbal. Uh-oh, what's going on here, Feiyu? I didn't do anything like that. Get it together, Bubba. Uh-oh. What the hell is going on here? Holy smokes. Hot mess. I don't know what that was all about. Okay. This seems to bang against the bottom of the gimbal with the Hero 4 Silver in it. So in conclusion, it's kind of a head scratcher. I like the size of the Feiyu. I wish it worked a little better. I'm gonna have to test that sound some more. It seems maybe it's not a deal breaker with that wind mode on and the speaker away. The Karma makes noise as well. The Karma grip. It's big. It's not, you can't recharge the batteries. It's not removable. The Feiyu, you can pull the battery and charge it separately. That's a bonus, especially for a lot of traveling. Um, and it holds the Hero 5 Silver without an extra mount. So I'll try to get this figured out. And I'm just gonna have to test that sound somewhere with the Feiyu and see if it's gonna be a deal breaker or not.